Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in a Dodge Charger key fob. First, you'll need just a couple of simple tools. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother. This quick task can be completed in under 5 minutes, getting your key fob back to full power in no time. Let's get started. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should pop open with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming that the fob is securely closed. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your key fob working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.